Hey, Super Simple Health here. So, I recently saw this question on Reddit. What are small things that you think everyone should be doing to improve their health? And now I'm just going to take a look through the top comments to see what they say. So, this person says, avoid bringing snack food, junk food or packaged snacks into the home. If it's not there, you cannot reach for it. This person says, move more and eat whole foods. If you want to take things to the next level, resistant train and strive for high macronutrient whole foods. This person says, going on a walk every day, being conscious about eating enough protein and fibre, stretch the body, do a little bit of muscle exercise every day. Plan your meals ahead of time so you know what you are making, what you need to get from the store and how long it will take. If you don't plan, after a long day at work it's too easy to convince yourself to eat out. And the person below them said, planning your meals is quite literally the single most underrated thing you can do. This aspect of nutrition is quite often overlooked. Organising ahead of time can save you from snacking out. This person says, 2 to 3 cups of non-starchy vegetables in lunch and dinner has made a big difference to my health. Bonus points if they're cruciferous and leafy green vegetables. And the person below them agrees as well, eat more vegetables. But they also say, avoid added sugar. And the next person says, drink more water. If you can't easily remember the last time you drank water, it's time now. Drink water throughout the day, people. Dehydration equals death. And there's another person that recommends eating lots of vegetables. And they say, no matter how unhealthy I'm eating, burritos, pizza, Thai food, whatever, I try to include veggies in every bite, or at least alternate with bites of veggies. And this person has some advice which isn't nutrition related. They say, brush and floss your teeth, especially if you aren't going to the dentist regularly for cleanings and exams. And somebody else suggests a water flosser. I've not tried one of those myself, but apparently they're very good. And another person recommends mouthwash, which I recommend definitely. And this person has another non-nutritional bit of advice. They just say, be a nice human. Volunteer, donate, say thank you, smile. It's amazing the positive healing energy that giving creates in ourselves and others too. Use the stairs. And this person has quite a list of suggestions. They say, change out beverages for water. Tea is fine. Get at least 8 hours of sleep. This might be the single most beneficial thing you can do. Read Matthew Walker's book on sleep. Walk more. Cut out candy and other junk foods. Eat more fruits and veggies. Go to the gym 2 to 4 times a week. Reduce saturated fats and cholesterol. Reduce refined sugar. Eat more whole foods. Add a green smoothie to your daily diet. Breathe better and just relax. Don't stress about life. So now I'd just like to summarise my favourite suggestions from all those comments. And they are, cut out sugar. Eat more whole foods. Eat more vegetables, drink green smoothies, plan your meals, drink more water, walk every day, use the stairs, get plenty of sleep, floss, smile, and my own personal suggestion, cut out or reduce alcohol. But going back to the smoothies, if you're not sure where to start with this, you might want to check out this great book called Simple Green Smoothies by Jen Hansard and Jada Selner. It's got over 100 tasty recipes to lose weight, gain energy and feel great in your body, and includes a 10-day kickstart. You can find that by clicking the link in the description below. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful or interesting. If so, please give it a like, and maybe subscribe too if you'd like to see more videos in the future. And feel free to post a comment as well if you have any questions or comments about the health tips I've talked about here. Anyway, until next time, I wish you the very best of health.